So what we have here is a 250 watt metal halide LED high bay replacement. This one is from Lithonia Lighting, Acuity Brands. It's called the IBH12L. This one rings in at 125 watts approximately, with approximately 12,000 lumen output. This one's a good replacement for a 250 watt metal halide. In fact, we've replaced a bunch of them in a cigar factory here in Tampa. We brought their light output, or their light levels, up from 9 to approximately 15-foot candles all the way up to 30 to 35-foot candles. That is slightly overlit for a 250 watt metal halide replacement. Typically from a 16-foot mounting height and the spacing, we'd expect, especially even from a metal halide, approximately a 21-foot candle light output, or but with this fixture at this price and the low burn hours of the cigar factory, this was the only 250 watt metal halide replacement that fit in a good return on investment for the customer. And actually the customer and all of the employees absolutely love the clean light output. The significantly raised light output has made a huge difference for them. And I think we appreciate it most when all of the employees have told us that they really love how much brighter it is in there. And it's significantly improved their work environment. So what else we can see here is a sensor switch, also from Acuity Brands, LSXR HL. And that is a high-low dimming motion sensor. As you can see right here, it just went back up. It's movable, so you can angle it kind of however you want to or need to. If you're on the front of an aisle, you might want to move it. We have it programmed right now for a 30-second occupancy timer, and it will dim itself down. I programmed that also to 40% light output. So right now you can see it's at the 12,000, and in a few seconds it'll go down to the 40%. It's actually still pretty bright, so it won't be that complete darkness of shutting off that would make it look really dark to employees. But the other thing is that there is also a secondary timer. It just dimmed right there to 40%. There's a secondary timer that will shut itself off after that extra timer. So we have that turned off right now because the customer doesn't want it like that. But it is an option that is available. You can also get a switch that has a photo cell on it, and it will dim itself if it's light in the room. So you can see there's also uplight on this fixture, help remove that cave effect. It's a very sleek, light fixture. Very nice. Let's look at the diffuser really quick. As you can see, you can almost see the diodes through the diffuser. It's not a very strong diffuser, I would say, but for mounting heights from 15 feet to higher to 20 to 25 feet, the diffuser won't be a problem. But if you start getting lower than 15 feet, I'd probably consider something different with a stronger diffuser. You definitely don't want that glare in employees' eyes or in anybody's eyes. So definitely something to consider, but for the low price point that this one comes in at, it's very hard to beat. With that sensor on it, it makes the savings even more significant. And it's something you should look at if you have a warehouse or tons of other things like repair facilities at car dealerships, etc. I know a lot of people still are using those old school metal halides, and especially when those acrylic diffusers on those start going downhill after many years, there's hardly any light output. So it's definitely something you want to consider. If you have any more questions, feel free to visit our website at actusled.com, or feel free to leave a comment and I'll try to get back to you.